guys, my name is Mandy and welcome to Chitmani Cook's Kitchen. Today, I am going to show you also my favorite dish from Phuket. Today we are making stir-fry Thai morning glory with shrimp paste. Let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First we have Thai style morning glory, but you can also use Chinese morning glory. Then we have sliced red chili to add some spice in it and color to the dish. Next we have chopped garlic, and then we have chopped shallots. For seasoning we have shrimp paste, has to be Thai shrimp paste, oyster sauce, sugar, and then we have cooking oil.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
So first you want to make sure that you clean the morning glory very well. Then you want to start picking the morning glory from the top part and move down to the middle part and lower part. You want to get about 2 inches long morning glory pieces. You want to pick the softer part, which usually is the top part, and don't go down too low because it is going to be tough and hard to chew. Right now, let's see how to stir fry the morning glory. First, you want to add a little bit of oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons into a pan over medium heat. Then we're gonna add shallots. Right, once the shallot is softened down, we're gonna add garlic. Then next we're gonna add chili and stir fry it until the garlic starts to turn into golden color. Next we're gonna add shrimp paste and then stir fry it for about 1 minute until the aroma from the shrimp paste starts to come out. Right now, as you can see that the pan is quite dry, we're gonna add a little bit of water. Next, we're gonna add the morning glory, and then oyster sauce, followed by sugar, and stir fry all of the ingredients together. You want to stir fry for about 2 minutes or until the morning glory is cooked. If you don't know, you can try and test it. Thank you for watching today. Hope you get the chance to try out this dish. Let us know how it goes in the comments. We would love to hear from you, and we'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!
And then we have